I realize the way most HVAC companies treat customers is wrong because I've been in this business so long. So I've worked for a handful of companies and I've had hundreds of employees. When I hire them and see how they treat customers, I'm like, oh, where did you learn that? And so long ago, I realized we have to do something different. We have to be somebody different. We have to treat people different. And so we started to establish systems and processes from the very jump, how we answer the phone, how we call the customer and treat them on the way to the home, how we introduce ourselves, how we carry ourselves throughout the home, and how we finish up the job and communicate both in person with the technician and electronically, getting the customer all their invoices so that everything is clear and everybody's happy.